Did you know that over 60% of people are just one paycheck away from financial ruin? That's the harsh reality we're facing today, and it's why understanding money is more crucial than ever. But we're not just talking about how to earn it. We're going deeper, exploring what money truly represents, how our relationship with it shapes our lives, and how we can seize control to build a better future. If you're ready to transform your mindset and take charge of your financial destiny, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing insights. We often think of money as just a medium of exchange, something we use to buy and sell goods. It's easy to see it as mere paper or coins, a tool for transactions. But money is so much more than that. It's an expression of value. It represents the worth we place on goods, services, and even our time. When you earn money, it's a reflection of the value you've created in the world. Your paycheck is not just a number, it's a testament to your hard work, dedication, and the impact you've made. This is why money often carries moral significance. The way we earn and spend it can reflect our values and ethics. But let's clear something up. Money itself isn't good or evil, it's neutral, a blank slate that takes on the character of the person who uses it. It's a tool that opens up options, broadens horizons, and reflects a person's moral disposition. With money, you can choose to invest in your future, support your family, or contribute to causes you care about. Whether you're wealthy or just getting by, money equals value. It's a measure of the effort, skills, and creativity you bring to the table. It's not just about the amount, but about what it represents. It's a measure of the effort, skills, and creativity you bring to the table. Every dollar earned is a symbol of your contribution to society, your ingenuity, and your perseverance. So instead of demonizing money, let's focus on understanding its true role in our lives and how it can be used to create positive change. By recognizing its potential, we can harness it to build a better future for ourselves and others. Here's where things get tricky. The biggest issue with money isn't how we make it, but how we spend it. Our spending habits often go unchecked, leading to financial stress and instability. Many of us are living paycheck to paycheck, even those earning six figures. It's a common misconception that higher income guarantees financial security. This isn't just about income, it's about our relationship with consumption. We often equate spending with happiness, buying things we don't need to fill emotional voids. Living on the financial edge, constantly worried about making ends meet, creates stress and instability. This stress can affect our mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. This is the real rat race, not just chasing a paycheck, but being one step away from financial disaster. The pressure to keep up with societal expectations can be overwhelming. To break free from this cycle, we need to rethink our consumption habits. It's about making conscious choices and prioritizing needs over wants. Before we can even think about production, we must fix how we consume. This means taking a hard look at our spending patterns and making necessary adjustments. Start by understanding your spending habits. Journal your expenses, create a budget, and track where your money goes. This awareness is the first step towards financial freedom. And live below your means. Embrace frugality and find joy in simple, cost-effective living. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but making smarter choices. This will not only help you save and invest, but also build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Having this safety net can provide peace of mind and financial stability, allowing you to focus on long-term goals without the constant worry of financial emergencies. With better consumption habits, you can also allocate funds towards experiences and investments that truly enrich your life. Whether it's a family vacation, a new hobby, or starting a side business, mindful spending opens up opportunities for personal growth and happiness. Educate yourself about personal finance, read books, attend workshops, and seek advice from financial mentors. Knowledge is power, and understanding how to manage your money effectively can transform your financial future. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve financial independence and live a life free from the constant stress of money worries. By changing our consumption habits, we can pave the way to a more secure and fulfilling future. One of the biggest traps we fall into is consuming to impress others. We're all guilty of it, buying things we don't need just to keep up with the Joneses. Social media has only intensified this pressure, making us measure our self-worth by the number of likes or followers we have. But this cycle is dangerous. It leads to debt and financial instability, as we chase after material possessions and social approval. Breaking free from this mindset requires a shift in priorities. Instead of buying things to impress others, focus on what truly matters to you. A budget and tracking your expenses can help you avoid the rat race of constantly needing the next big thing. Now that we've talked about managing expenses, let's flip the coin and discuss making money. Increasing your income can open up new opportunities and provide financial security. Reducing expenses is crucial, but increasing your income is just as important. By boosting your earnings, you can save more, invest more, and enjoy a better quality of life. Frugality can only take you so far. While cutting costs is a good start, it's not a long-term solution for financial growth. If you want to build real wealth, you need to find ways to produce value on a larger scale. This means thinking beyond your current job or income source. Entrepreneurship is a powerful way to do this. Starting your own business allows you to leverage your skills and passions to create something unique. By creating a successful business, you can significantly increase your income. This not only benefits you, but also contributes to the economy by creating jobs and services. But it's not just about starting any business, it's about finding a way to produce value that the market needs. Conduct thorough market research to understand what people are looking for. Use your skills, interests, and creativity to create something valuable. Whether it's a product, a service, or content, make sure it addresses a real need or desire. The internet offers endless opportunities to put your creations out there. From e-commerce to digital content, the online world is a vast marketplace waiting to be tapped. Whether it's through a job, a business, or another venture, focus on maximizing the value you bring into society. The more value you provide, the more you can earn and the more impact you can make. Continuously educate yourself and improve your skills. The more knowledgeable and skilled you are, the more opportunities you will have to increase your income. Set clear financial goals and track your progress. Celebrate your milestones and stay motivated on your journey to financial growth. Ultimately, increasing your income can lead to greater financial freedom, allowing you to live the life you've always dreamed of. I want to share a framework that has helped me and many others on the path to financial success. It's a combination of personal finance and entrepreneurship. By understanding your relationship with money, controlling your consumption, and finding ways to produce value on a large scale, you can build a solid foundation for financial growth. Start today by assessing your current situation, setting goals, and taking small steps toward your financial freedom. Remember, money is a tool. Use it wisely, and it can unlock endless possibilities. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. How do you view money, and what steps are you taking to improve your financial situation? See you in the next video.